Hi, I'm here in the city of Lynwood in a manufacturing type zone commercial property at 11688. So let's take a look at the condition of the place. It's a fixer-upper. The values in the land, the development. It's a good space for building, manufacturing, welding. There's a zone for manufacturing. There's an alley entrance as well. This is the electrical panel. It's a really good space here. This is a good place for auto bottle shop, welding, manufacturing, small, light manufacturing. And there's an entrance to the alley here. So basically this looks like a shell.